Welcome lovelies. So I've got my Glamigo box for this month and as it says Filmy V. So let me open, and before that I'll tell you that it contains two lipsticks because I know this because I got a choice to select both the lipstick shades. So let me open it for you and see what other products I've got. So as usual they have a contest running for everybody and you have to answer a question and you can win 3000 worth of chubby sticks from Bella Verste. And the question is, who is the Prime Minister of India? And trust me, they had sent us a chubby stick from Bella Verste last month. It was superb. It was just awesome. I loved it. The pigmentation is good and it stays for long, and I'm really impressed with the product. And we have this info card which has all the product details, and I think first I'll dig in the products and then I'll check this for you for the prices. And I have a discount coupon from Chronocare. This means we have a product from Chronocare. So product from Chronocare first. Alright, it's a Polish the Blemish face scrub, suitable for all skin types. It's a super vitamin scrub paste that gently removes dead cells and leaves the skin smooth and rejuvenated. The good thing about this is that it's sulfate free, mineral oil, paraben, silicone and fragrance free. Uh, it's it's a full size product and I'm looking forward to try this from Chronocare. As mentioned in the last video also, I've used their products, the facial toner, the body lotions, they're very good, and we should use a scrub for the winters because it helps to remove the dry skin. We often get dry skin in the winters. And so the second product we have is from Las Naturals. It's a cucumber mint face freshener and toner. So it's a two-in-one. It can be used as a facial mist as well as a toner. Toner is very good for your skin, especially for acne prone skin. We have our pores. In case you have large pore problem, toner really helps you to reduce the pore size and helps to remove the dirt and dust very easily from your face. So you should follow the CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and then moisturizing for the perfect glowy skin. And I'm happy that they had Glamigo box had sent in the month of earlier this year a product from Las Naturals only, which was a foot cream which was very good. So I'm excited to try this product as well. Okay, next comes a lipstick which I've chosen and I'm very excited to see the shade, how it looks, and I'll do a swatch for you guys. And trust me, I'm pretty impressed with Bella Verste. As I just mentioned to you, the chubby stick which Glamigo box sent me last month was super, and considering I can never ever stop or say no for a lipstick, I'm pretty excited that this month we have two lipsticks from Glamigo box. So I'm just excited to show you the shades as well. So let me first start with the Bella Verste. I am pretty impressed with their packaging also. It's very sturdy, black, looks great, and the shade which I've got is Rusty Rose. This is how it looks. Wow, pink is my favorite shade and I get pink and I'm wearing pink, so this is how the swatch of the lipstick looks like. So this has a slight matte. It's not very matte, it's not very glossy. It is, and the color is also such that you could use it for everyday wear. Pretty light. So you know what, it's always in lipsticks we can never have enough of them, and we always want to look trendy, and plus we want to look retro. So Glamigo box has given us an option to try different looks and two colors also. So last product I get from is a lipstick by Beaufly Paris Lip Color. Okay, I'm trying this for the first time and I received this product through Glamigo box only. I have taken a darker shade here and the shade name is Wild Maroon. The packaging is again black, but it's not that great. But let me see how the lipstick is. Wow, the shade is super awesome, just the way I wanted it. So this is how the shade looks. perfect for the fall and the winter season. You know, just wear this with a simple eye makeup and you're good to go for any party or any evening time. It will look superb on you. What are you waiting for, guys? At $2.99 I get 4 products. Let me read out the prices for you. The Bella Vista lipstick itself is $5.49. The Blue Fly lipstick is 400 rupees. Chrono Care product is 460 and the Lash Natural toner is 150. Products worth 1600 plus and you get it at 299. You still want a chance or a reason not to buy this, then I mean it's up to you, but I think just go and buy this. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay subscribed and click on the bell notification to get notifications of my newly uploaded videos. Thank you.